Yesterday, gold created a bullish candle, but what we can see yesterday, the price has retraced back down very close to this area of support 3716.14, which I have mentioned that there is a probability that the price continues to lose its value after the price has formed this bearish engulfing candle a day before that. That candle body is completely engulfing the previous candle body, and the price has retraced back down, but we can see the price started the day here and end the day here, which means there was selling pressure and also buying pressure where the price was jumping up and down, up and down. We'll see, especially on the lower time frames, how the price has behaved yesterday when the price has created this small bullish candle. When the day has started, we can see the price started here when I have mentioned this bullish pin bar, this bearish pin bar where the price started, and the price continued to rise in value to the next resistance level 3756.87, which was a very important level I have mentioned also yesterday inside the analysis. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, you will see that much more closely. We can see that the prices continue to rise in value here, going above, making a bullish breakout on the 1 hour time frame, and rising to this area here to the 4 hour time frame resistance level, which I have mentioned that is very important, a resistance level, because of this support level and this resistance level. And if we want to see the price going further higher, we need to see price making a bullish breakout right here. The price has started to make a bullish breakout for the 3 times. We can see that these 3 weeks, but the price could not continue to rise in value. I was expecting that the price would continue to rise in value when the price forming this indecision candle, and then the price continues to rise, but then reverses back down, and it was a strong reverse back down because of this strong, pretty large candle with a large wick. The small body has closed, we see that, but then the price continued to lose its value, reaching the next support level 3736.25. Then after that, the price has continued to lose its value, going further down to 3726.49, which I have also mentioned that the price could manage to reach, and it needs to make a bearish breakout below this area of support in order to continue to lose its value. We can see the price has reached this area of support, forming these wicks, which means there is also buying pressure here. Buyers are waiting here, pushing the price up. So we have sellers here pushing the price down, the buyers have pushing the price up, and we can see the price was jumping up and down between these 2 price levels. Now when the price has reached this area of resistance again for the second time, we can see that here yesterday evening the price has lost its value. We can see that making a bearish breakout, a small one, when the price continued to lose its value, reaching a support level. When the price has reached the support level for the first time from this area here, like in this example here, the wick has been created. The wick has been created, which means the selling pressure has exited their trades here, but the buyers have also stepped inside. But we can see the price could not manage to return to this area of resistance for the 3rd time, because there is no buying pressure strong enough to cancel this selling pressure right here. So we can see a strong bearish candle is also again here created on the market. Based on what I can see currently, I'm expecting that the price will try to make a bearish breakout below this area of support and reaching again an area right here around 3730, like in this example here, like in this example here. So the target right here is currently at this area of 3731. Let's round this number to 3731. This is the first target where I'm expecting the price will try to reach in the next 1 or 2 or 3 hours. This is a small period time frame. After that, what happens? We need to wait to see how the price will behave around this area of support. It is a small one. Will the price reach again this area of support, closing the candle like in this example, making a bearish breakout below this area of support, and then heading further down to this area of the daily support? Or will the price reach this area of support and then reverse back up? It is an open question which needs to be answered by the market, and then follow the market. That's the idea. On the 4 hour time frame, what I can see currently, the price from yesterday reached the resistance level, drop it down to this area of support, trying to make a bearish breakout. We can see that here, but then reversed back down with the next candle, going further up and then reversing back down. Now it is very important to see how the price will behave around this area, which is currently in decision range area for the price, and then follow the market. For now, I'm waiting outside to see how the price will behave around this area of support on the 1 hour time frame, especially here 3731. What will happen, and will the price make some kind of a bullish pin bar right here, the support, which will indicate further rise in value, just like in this example here, which I have shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. Or will the price make a bearish breakout, like in this example here, and also especially this one right here, which is a strong one, a bearish breakout below this area of support. For now, let's wait, and also remember there is a premium analysis group where you can get the access. I also have managed to get a free access for you all. You do not have to pay a monthly membership, because there is only one condition to join the broker I'm currently using. So feel free to check details and also join the link, and then see you inside. That's all for now. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.